Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the numerical problem of chapter work, energy and power. So let now discuss the first numerical. What is the work by a person in carrying a box weighing 10 kg okay on his head when he travel a distance 5 meter? First part along vertical direction and second part along horizontal direction. Okay. So weight on his head W equal to 10 kgf. So as we know that 1 kgf equal to 9.8 Newton. So 10 into 9.8 means 98 Newton. Okay. This W means mg. Okay. This W means mg. And he travel a distance in vertical direction. We denote by h 5 meter. Okay. So as we know that work done equal to force into displacement. So person applies a weight in upward direction and he goes in upward, means force applied and displacement both are in same direction, so the angle between them is 0. It means angle equal to theta equal to 0 and cos 0 equal to 1. So simply we can write W equal to force into displacement. Okay. Now force means weight mg into h. Okay. Put the value 98 into h5 means 490 joule. In first part, when person is moving upward, means applied force in upward, displacement in upward, angle between force and displacement 0. The value of cos 0 is 1. Formula W is equal to mgh. Okay. Now in second part, along horizontal direction, so weight always act downward and displacement horizontal, angle between them 90. So value of cos 90 equal to 0. So W equal to F into F into cos 90. So total work done 0. Okay. Or if person apply a force in upward, means reaction, then this angle also equal to 0. Okay. To second problem, if 784 joule work is done in lifting 20 kg mass, then calculate the height through which it was lifted. Means we have to calculate the value of F. Mass of body is given 20 kg, work also given 784 joule. Okay. So when we lift this body in upward direction, means apply a force in upward, then displacement in same direction. Okay, this displacement is same direction. Then work done in lifting a body in upward, force into displacement h into cos 0. In this case theta equal to 0. The value of cos 0 is 1, so W equal to F into h. Okay. Now put the value 784 equal to F means m, g and h. Okay. So 784 value of mass m20 into value of g 9.8 into h. Okay. So h equal to 784 upon 196. 196 for the 784. So h equal to 4 meter. Okay. So let now see the third problem. Calculate the work done by a constant force F equal 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 5 K cap Newton acting on a body producing a displacement, means S is equal to 2 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap meter. Okay. We have to calculate the work done. Okay. So as we know that work done equal to F vector dot S vector. Okay. Now substitute the value of F and S. 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 5 K cap dot value of F 2 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap. Okay. Now 2 to the 4 I dot I 1. Okay, then remaining 0 because I dot j equal to 0, I dot k equal to 0. Similarly, j dot I equal to 0, so 3 4 are 12, j dot j 1. Okay, next are 0. Now 5 3 are 15, plus minus 15, k dot k 1. Okay, so in general we can say that we have to multiply only I to I, j to j and k to k. Okay, and rest are 0. So 4 plus 12 16 minus 15 means 1 joule. Work done will be 1 joule. Let's now see the question number 4. A particle moved from a position, means initial position r1 equal to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 6 k cap meter. Okay, to position means final position r2 equal to 14 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 9 k cap meter. Under the action of a force means F equal to 4 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap. We have to calculate the work done. Okay, so first we calculate the displacement, means final position minus initial position. These two are position vector. It means let the displacement be delta r, means final position vector minus initial position vector. Okay, so 14 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 9 k cap minus 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 6 k cap. Okay, now open the bracket. 14 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 9 k cap minus 3 I cap, minus plus 2 j cap minus plus 6 k cap. Okay, so 14 I cap minus 3 I cap means 11 I cap plus 13 j cap 2 j cap means 15 j cap, 9 k cap plus 6 k cap means 15 k cap. This is the displacement. After that, W equal to F vector dot delta R vector. Okay, R, so the W equal to 4 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap. Okay, dot the value of delta R 11 I cap plus 15 j cap plus 15 k cap. Okay, now we have to multiply I dot I, j dot j and k dot k. All remaining are 0. So 4 into 11 means 44, j dot j is 1. Similarly, j dot j is 1, so 15 1 ja 15. Okay, now plus minus 3 into 15, 45, k dot k is 1. Okay, so here 15 minus 1 means 14 joule. Work done will be 14 joule. Okay. Now next question number 6. A man weighing 50 kg. It means mass of man is 50 kg. Climbs 10 meter high means h equal to 10 meter. Okay, we have to calculate the work done by gravity. So you have to pay attention here. Work done by gravity, not work done by man. So as we know that the gravitational force acting vertically downward means here mg. Okay, and person climbs upward here. Suppose h equal to 10 meter in upward. Angle between them is 180. Okay, so as we know that W equal to F vector into S vector. So here F, S and cos 180. The value of cos 180 is minus 1 F. So S means displacement is equal to H, means H minus 1. So minus F into H, and value of F is M into G into H. Now substitute the value. Minus value of M 50 into G 9.8 into H 10. Okay, means 490 into 10, 4900 with negative sign. Work done will be negative. Okay, because it is the case of work done on the system, not by the system. As we know that work done by the system always positive, work done on the system always negative. So it is the case of work done on the system, because earth apply a force. So it is the case of work done on the system, and work done always negative. Let us now see the question number 7. A man weighing 70 kg carries a weight of 10 kg to the top of a tower 100 meter high, means H equal to 100 meter. Okay, and the mass of man is given 70 kg, and the mass of weight, suppose small m, 10 kg. We have to calculate the value of work done. So here the main important thing is that we have to calculate, we have to put the mass of both, means mass of man plus mass of weight. Okay, so W equal to force into displacement S. So as we know that this F equal to m into G. M means n plus m into G. H means total mass, mass of man plus mass of weight, means we have to calculate the total weight. So 70 plus 10 into value of G is 9.8 into value of H 100. Okay, so 80 into 980, 00, 8 at the 64, 72, 78. Okay, or we can write 7.84 into 10 is to power 4 joule. Now see the question number 8. A box is pushed through 4 meter across the floor, offering 100 Newton resistance, means resistance force, frictional force is 100 Newton. How much work is done by applied force, and number 2 by resisting force? So displacement S is given 4 meter, floor offering a force, means F equal to 100 Newton. We have to calculate the work done by applied force and work done by resisting force. Okay, so suppose a person applies a force over this body which are lying on this plane. Okay, so the weight of this body is acting downward, reaction upward, applied force in this direction, and resisting force act in that direction. Okay, so for body moving without acceleration, this applied force must be equal to frictional force. Okay, and the body displaces in the direction of this force through distance S. Okay, so in first case W is equal to F into S, F vector dot S vector. Okay, so as we know that A dot B equal to AB cos theta, means F into S into cos 0, because in this case theta equal to 0. Force and displacement both are in same direction, so angle between them is 0, and the value of cos 0 is 1. Now put the value of F, means 100, into S 4, the value of cos 0 1, answer will be 400 Newton. Now in second part, work done by resisting force, means by this force. So as we know that F into S into cos theta, so here theta is 180 degree because displacement is in this direction. Okay, and force acting in this direction, so angle between them is 180. Okay, angle between frictional force and displacement is 180. So F into S into cos 180. The value of cos 180 is minus 1, is minus F into S. Okay, now put the value, minus value of is 100 into S 4, means minus 400 joule. So work done by resisting force or work done by frictional force will be minus 400 joule. Now see the question number 9. A person is holding a bucket by applying a force of 20 Newton. He moved a horizontal distance 15 meter, means S1 equal to 15 meter. Okay, suppose S equal to 15 meter, and then climb up a distance, means H equal to 12 meter. We have to calculate total work done, means W. So W equal to W1 for moving in a horizontal distance, and W2 for work done in climb a distance of 12 meter in upward. So now for horizontal work done, W equal to F into S into cos 90. Okay, because weight of person acting downward, but he moved in a horizontal, so angle between force and displacement is 90. Then in case of W2, when person climbs up, means F into S into cos 0 into cos 0. The value of cos 0 is 1. Here value of cos 90 is 0. So 0 plus the value of F is m g into S is h. Okay, into 1. So W equal to m into g, means force. So here force is given 20 Newton. Okay, so this is the 20 Newton into value of h 12, means 12 to the 24 into 0, क्या हो गया 240 joule. So let us now note the question number 10. A particle moves from a point, means R1 equal to 2I cap plus 3J. Okay, it is the initial position of the particle, to another point, means R2, it is the final position of the particle, 3I plus 2J meter, during which a certain force F acts over it, so 5I cap plus 5J cap Newton. Calculate the work done by this force, means W is equal to question mark. Calculate the displacement, means delta R vector 2 vector minus R1 vector. Now put the value of R2, 3I cap plus 2J cap minus value of R1, 2I cap plus 3J cap. Okay, now open the bracket, 3I cap plus 2J cap minus 2I cap minus 3J cap. Now 3I cap minus 2I cap means I cap, 2J cap plus and minus 3J minus, so here minus J cap. So displacement is delta R vector equal to I cap minus J cap. Okay, W equal to F vector dot delta R vector. Value of F vector 5I cap plus 5J cap dot the value of delta R vector I cap minus J cap. Okay, so we have to multiply I dot I and J dot J. All other are 0, so 5 1 is 5, I dot I 1. Similarly 5 1 is 5 plus minus J dot J is 1, so 5 minus 5 0. Work done will be 0 joule.